Saludos and thank you for inviting me to join you today. The work the Hispanic Federation has done to support the community across the country and in Puerto Rico deserves recognition, and I'm proud to be called your ally. This past year has been tremendously challenging for all of us, but for undocumented worker, it has been particularly deadly. Nearly 5 million essential workers in the United States are undocumented immigrants, and almost 1 million of them are dreamers. Almost 2/3 of those essential workers serve in frontline jobs. They are nurses, doctors, grocery workers, and farm workers. They work in restaurants and meat and food processing plants. They take care of our children and our seniors. They are the frontline workers who have kept our country moving. Without the choice to work from home, they have endured unsafe working conditions and COVID exposure. And if exposed, many are scared to seek medical attention and even reluctant to seek the vaccine because of the fear of deportation. Immigrant communities have been struggling to make ends meet, feed their families, and pay rent while grieving for the loved ones they have lost. Despite our best efforts in the House of Representatives, millions of undocumented workers were left out of crucial relief from the CARES Act passed last Congress. But we're finally seeing a light at the end of the tunnel, and immigrant workers will finally receive some of the help their families need. Now, thanks to President Biden's American Rescue Plan, mixed status families qualify for stimulus checks of $1,400 per adult and child. For families with a tax identification number, ITIN number, the child tax credit will bring $3,000 per child 6 to 17 years old and $3,600 per child under 6 years of age. Beyond addressing the immediate health and economic crisis caused by COVID-19, we have a lot of work to do to re-envision our immigration laws and reverse the damage done by the previous administration. President Joe Biden introduced an immigration bill during his first 100 days in the White House to fix our long broken and chaotic immigration system. And last week, 2 key immigration bills were passed in the House of Representatives, the Dream and Promise Act and the Farm Workforce Modernization Act. Now the Senate has to do its job to pass these bills. But we need to do more. That's why I have reintroduced a new way forward, which gives us a historic opportunity to end the criminalization of immigrants and end the scourge of family separation. At this moment in history, we're called upon to uphold our values of compassion, common humanity, and racial justice. Decriminalizing immigration is not a radical concept. We are simply asking for fair treatment in our immigration system. This is the moment to reimagine an immigration system rooted in justice and compassion. We owe it to our immigrant brothers and sisters. Sí se puede.